what's going on, everybody? If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. Yes, this is the Loom bracelet. So without wasting time, let's get started. Things you will need is 20 black rubber band, 20 pink rubber band, S-shaped clip, Loom tool. If you don't have these, you can use 2 fingers. So I will show you how to make this on finger. So let's get started. Take black rubber band, wrap it like this. Take pink rubber band, make infinity sign. Again take black. Now what you have to do is take middle one down and this up. Pink down, black up. I will show you again. Take pink one. Take middle one down, lower up, middle down, lower up. See it again. Take black rubber band, middle down and lower up. Repeat this process until the last one. You can see the pattern. All you have to do is down and up. I am taking the 2 colors. You can take as many as you want or make it in rainbow pattern. It's your own wish. See the pattern. So the last one. Now what you have to do is take pink one down, black up, pink down, black up, and hold both pink and black together like this. Now attach clip. Take black one from downside, attach clip. Now what you have to do is stitch it to make it even. After stitching, you can see the pattern. It's inverted Loom bracelet. You can make this as a friendship bracelet. So our bracelet is ready. See the pattern. So if you like my video, do share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel and give thumbs up.